fellow vintage lovers. I went ahead and opened this box only because I didn't want to make a noisy video, and I'm not so good at unwrapping things. I tend to get very excited. I'm so happy to have gotten the Trusty Traveler box. I got box number 18, and it was sent to me by my dear friend and thrift twin. I'm going to call her my thrift twin because we always find the same things, or we see one thing the other person has found. It's just really cool, and I feel like I was meant to meet her. But it was sent to me from Picasso Cat, Kathy, and I am so very excited, guys. I am going to read to you the instructions in case you haven't heard about the Trusty Traveler box and everything about it. Okay, so for those of you who aren't familiar with what Patrick from Trusty Huckster Mercantile is doing, first of all, this is so cool. It says here, the Trusty Traveler is a mobile version of geocaching. It started with 5 small items placed in the box by the Trusty Huckster himself, and it will make its way across the country where each person chooses one item out of the box to keep and replaces that item with something of their own before passing it on to someone else. So when I opened it, there were 5 items in the box, and I don't know, am I supposed to show you guys what I decided to keep out of the 5? I think I am. I did go back and watch Jody Renshaw's video. She got it before Kathy, so she sent it on to Kathy, and in her video she did show the items. So you know what? I'm going to do that as well. Okay, so in the box, when I open it, well, first of all, there were 2 of Patrick's coasters. If you aren't familiar with his channel, he always sells coasters, and he also had these made. I already have a couple of those, so I'm going to keep those in the box. I love them. I think they're really cool. This was also in the box, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is Denmark, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but it's just a really pretty souvenir dish, I believe, and it's very beautiful. Delft blue colors. This was also in the box, and I think this is absolutely lovely. It looks like a French couple courting, perhaps. Let's see, it's Prince Edward's Canada, and it is like a little trinket dish, I believe. It's absolutely lovely. Okay, I thought this was really cool, y'all. These are cucumber seeds, and it looks like, I'm not sure what the 5 years is. Did these come from 1978? Is that what the 7/8 is, or is that how many are in there? I do not know, but I thought that was kind of cool too. So I didn't end up picking one of these 4. Instead, I got this kitty. Of course I got the kitty. If it was an animal, I was likely going to get it. This kitty is so cute. He's Lefton, and it reminds me of one of my cats, so I just love it. Again, first of all, if you don't follow Patrick, you should. Trusty Huckster Mercantile. You can follow him on YouTube and, of course, on Instagram. But he is a vintage reseller. He's also a teacher, and he does a lot of work for dogs, in particular dachshunds, and he's doing a fundraiser for dachshunds. At the end of the trip, box number 18 makes, everything will be sent back to Patrick, and he is going to auction off the items that are in the box for the dachshund fundraiser, which I think is awesome. So if you care about dachshunds, you definitely need to check out Patrick's channel, because he and some of his friends do a lot of awesome work for dogs. Okay, guys, I'm leaving what I'm putting in as a secret. I'm sending my box on to my girl Gina. So box number 18, which by the way is my favorite number, is going to Florida tomorrow. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. I was hoping to get more content out today, but I'm busy working on invoicing and trying to get other stuff done today. But there will be probably a long video tomorrow. So I hope you come back for that. I hope everyone is having a good Thursday. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Look at that cat again. Thanks for watching. Of course, you can always like, comment, subscribe if you don't already, and share. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Thanks for doing this, Patrick. This is really cool. And thank you, Kathy, for sending it to me.